Hi, I'm Phil from Tech for Techs. Today we're going to be looking at the Sandberg products. They're basically power saver banks, which basically means you can plug in your phones and maybe tablets into these devices to charge them up if you don't have a plug socket nearby. They retail for 12, 18 and 30 pounds. This one here will give you roughly 2 times charge, this one will give you 4 times charge, and this one will give you 8 times charge. When I may say 2, 4 and 8 times charge, that means an average smart device should be able to charge it twice from this, 4 with that and 8 times with that one. So that basically means if you've got no power cables available or sockets, you can basically plug it into these with your power cable and it will charge them up. Bear in mind, you have to make sure you charge these up as well when they run low. So let's have a look at the packaging first. In basics, they're all pretty much the same apart from the amount of power each one holds, and that just changes the name and how much obviously charges you get on the packaging and the size obviously. So they're made by Sandberg. They're called Saver Powerbank 20,000, 10,000 and 5,000, and as we said, they give different amount of charges. That one's 2 times, 4 times, 8 times to a standard smartphone. Obviously standard can be a minefield to say which is a standard, because some phones obviously require more of a charge than others. Obviously if you've got something like an XL phone, then it probably won't charge as many times, because obviously the battery is usually a lot bigger. But it gives you a rough idea: 20,000 milliamps, 10,000 and 5,000. So if your phone, and you have a look at it, is basically 5,000 milliamps and this is 20,000, that means this one can charge it 4 times. But if it's only 2,000 milliamps, you can charge it 10 times. So obviously that's averaging it out. So you can actually plug in phones, tablets and all sorts to these. As it says, they're all double quality checked. There's not much information on the box. There's a little bit on the back in all your different languages. They're all the same. On the sides there isn't much, and on the bottom you've just got a barcode. So pretty much most information you need is all there. Let's open all 3 of these up and see what they're like. So I'm guessing they're going to be pretty much identical apart from physical size. Okay, here they are all unboxed, and as you can see they all look pretty much the same. The same sort of design, it's basically like large, medium and small, so it gives you a rough idea. They all come with BullGuard internet security, which covers up to 3 devices for 90 days, which is pretty good. It's a good program, BullGuard internet security is, so I would recommend you take a look at that. We've reviewed it in the past as well. So they retail in the UK for roughly £12, £18 and £30. We've got links in the description if you want to look for them online. Sandberg products are generally known as pretty good. One thing I am missing on the front though, they normally say how long the warranty is, but I don't see any information regarding that warranty on the front of the box. And funnily enough, it doesn't mention their warranty at all on the box, which is strange, and neither does any of the paperwork I've got. So let me have a look online to see if I can find out. Okay, I've had a quick look online and they do actually come with a 5-year warranty, or at least they do from what I've seen from their website, which I'm surprised they haven't mentioned on the front, because they usually, where they have the saver mark here, have the 5-year warranty sticker, which is a little strange, but hey, I suppose they forget something now and again. But otherwise, it's straightforward. You've got the charger itself, as you can see here. It says Sandberg there. You can see how many milliamps is there. That'll show you your charge level, I'm guessing, if you press that button there. Yep, so that's lighting up 3 of the 4 circles, so that means they're charged already at roughly around 75%. You've got 2 USB ports there to plug in your devices, so your phone, so you can charge up 2 at once. It doesn't mention if they're quick charge, so I'm guessing the standard charge, but still it's good enough to just charge your phone up if you're out of power. And then you've got the mini connection there, which would plug it into there, or should I say micro connection, you plug into there, and then you plug that into your PC or wall socket and charge it up. Obviously when you've used the power out of these, you do need to charge them up, otherwise when you go away and you plug it in, you'll go, oh, there's no power, and then you're pretty much stuck in the where you were in the first place. The smaller versions are identical other than physical size. Again, same connections, same looks, same information on them, apart from, as we said, the amount of milliamps. That's pretty much it.